Today we'll be changing air filter on Kawasaki 2011 250 Ninja. I took my plastic apart because I'm doing some other maintenance. Well, all you gotta do is, for the air filter, is take this piece out. So it's like that on the bike usually. All you gotta do is just take this screw out, which is right here, and then everything else just pop it up. This pops up, and that's where it is, the air filter. What you want to do is loosen the screwdriver, the screws. I already took one out, so 1, 2, 3. So if it's stuck, kind of like wiggle it around, try not to rip it. Unless if you're changing it, that's fine. And then you can put a new one. So you just take it out, take all the dust or whatever you need to from there as well, and then put the new one back in, just as this, how you take the old one out, and same way put it back how you took everything off. But me, I'm gonna be cleaning it. This is dirty. I can clean mine. Mine's K&N. It's cleanable. If you want to stick around for the video, you can stick around and see how I clean mine. So how about this K&N cleaning kit, and all the instructions are on the box. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna clean it. So get something to lay your filter on. Take this out. You can either follow instructions here. Spray, apply, rinse, dry, and then put oil. So what I'm going to do first, this is air cleaner, this one, and this is the air filter oil. It says right here, air cleaner, air filter oil. So let's start on it. I'm just gonna soak mine up. Let it sit for a little bit. And soak it again. So let it soak for like 10 minutes. That's what it says. And then rinse. And then if you need to do it, repeat it again 1 or 2 times if it's still dirty. Now once it's dry, all you gotta do is just spray the air filter oil. Flip it over and then this way. So it gets both sides. That'll be pretty good. And flip it over. And that should be it. Okay, now since you sprayed, all you gotta do is put it in. Let's wipe it a little on the edges lightly and put it back in. And what you do is put the cover in. Line it up and put the third screw in. Then you're done.